तत्पश्चात नेत्रलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतमान भक्ति राम स्वामी महाराज एवं प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्ट भक्ति रथ श्रीधर गोस्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित पवित्र सिंह महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा प्रणाम करता है। हमारे श्रीमद् भागवतम दसम 23 अध्याय से हम लोग जागृत प्रभु के बारे में
we are discussing the katha of Brahminis, the wives of the Brahmins. Krishna and Balaram with their sakhas, they were doing cow herding near Akrur Ghat. Sometimes on that day, because of the desires of Bhagwan, on that day they forgot to bring anything from their own homes for their lunch. It was afternoon. Krishna told Balaram, "Hey Krishna," the Sakhas were saying to Krishna Balaram that we are very hungry. Today we have forgotten to bring lunch from home. So can you please arrange something for us to have? There is nearby these Brahmins, they are doing yagna. They are doing Angira yagna. The yagna they are doing is for to get happiness for everyone. So you go there. He told the Sakhas, you go to the Brahmins and pray to them that they. So the Sakhas, on the advice of Krishna, they went to the Brahmins who were doing yagna and said that we are hungry, we are really hungry. So can you please arrange some bhojan for us, some food for us? So the Brahmins were busy doing swa, 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 and some Brahmins were sitting by the fire. So the Sakhas went to these Brahmins. They just they took them as like young children and didn't give them bhojan. Like they said, "Oh, what are you doing here? Go away from here." But they were so absorbed just doing their sakhas. So the sakhas were really upset and they came back to Krishna and complained to Krishna. So Krishna said, Bhikhari, if a beggar, what can beggar? Like beggar will go from one house to the next house and will keep on going on, keep on begging until he finally gets somewhere. So Krishna said, okay, the Brahmins didn't give you some, but now you go to the Brahmins' wives. You ask for bhojan pratna. So the Sakhas heard this instruction, advised from Krishna. So now the Sakhas went to the Brahmin's wife. So they went to the Brahmin's wife. And the Brahmin. So these Brahmin ladies had heard so much glorification about the beauty of Krishna they've heard from others, the other Vrajvasis. Then when the Sakhas went to the Brahmins and said,
गोचरण आदि कर रहे हैं।
So
इस कथा सुनते ही
that the Brahmins, when they heard that from the Sakhas that, oh, Krishna and Balaram are here, they are waiting there and they are very hungry and we've come here for some food. So as soon as the ladies heard from the Sakhas, so the Brahmini said, oh, here we will come to feed Krishna and Balaram. So they gathered all the food stuff and they said, we will come to feed them. Just like, you know, the river of Ganga, the water from Ganga, how it flows, how it just spontaneously flows. So like that, these Brahmin ladies, they collected all the food stuff, and just immediately, like a river that flows, they immediately said, oh, we want to come and have darshan of Krishna and Balaram.
धातु प्रबल नटवेश अनुव्रतां से विन्नस्तनिमितरेण धुनान अब्जं कर्णोत्पलालक कपोल मुखाब्जहासं। वो समस्त
So
ब्राह्मण
the Brahmins, the wives of Brahmins, the Brahminis, when they had darshan of Krishna, then they started to, that yesterday they started to describe the beauty of Krishna. Like a cloud, you know, the cloud, the color of the cloud that's just about to rain. The beautiful pitambar, the cloth that they was wearing. The color is like a cloud that's just about to rain, and he had a beautiful mala, flowers, variety of different flowers, mala, garland. The Krishna looked so beautiful, like in, like a dance, when the dancer is about to dance and how she's decorated and how she's dancing. So like that, Krishna was like that, in a folded in a three band fold, and he had one hand was on the shoulder of one of the Sakha, and on the other hand he had a lotus flower that he was moving like round and round. And his beautiful smile, and he was attracting everybody's heart with his beautiful smile. So like this, these Brahminis described the roop of Krishna. My battery is going low.
वो समस्त ब्राह्मण जब आने लगे, तब स्वयं कृष्ण वो ब्राह्मणियों के देख करके
Then when Krishna saw a Brahmin, so he started to welcome them. The Brahmin, his wife. Charge.
कैसे स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण वो समस्त ब्राह्मणी के जो है अपायित के निमंत्रण किया। श्री भगवान उवाच
Yeah, I know. I like to keep it.
नद्वधामयि कुर्वन्ति कोदनं साक्षादर्शिनाम् अहेतुकव्यवहिता भक्ति आत्मप्रिये यथा। उस समय स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण वह ब्राह्मणियों के लक्ष्य थे, इतने कहकर के स्वागतम भो महाभागा, ये महाभागवती गण अर्थात भगवती गण आपकी परम स्वरूप आप लोग की सुख आगमन हुए हैं संप्रति आप लोग यहाँ पर
You have this is Krishna is telling to ladies that you come here, that you take some rest. That then he said, how can we serve you? Like that, Krishna told the Brahmanis, how can I serve you? Because you have come here under your restrictions. You know, you had so much restrictions to come, and you have still come here. Because you because when you Bhagwan is saying that you know, to have darshan of me is very rare. It's very rare. What is your, so you have come here, you are getting darshan of mine, which is so rare. Even the Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva, they are doing so much austerities. Even they are doing so much sadhan. You know, after so much sadhan, then I give darshan. But our Rupa Goswami is saying, Brahmaji's heart is so pure. And he wants to meet but he wants to have darshan of Krishna by meditation. That's Lord Brahma. Lord Shiva or Lord Brahma, they sit down in meditation. But Bhagwan sometimes gives him darshan and sometimes doesn't. Jyoti, you know, the Brahma Jyoti, that's the effulgence that's emanating from Krishna. Even the Bhagwan's Charan Kamal, the light that's emanating from his toenails. So if you look at our toes, you know, you got like a shape of the moon underneath. It's like a shape of the moon. Like half, you know, if you look at the fingers, that it's like the shape of the moon. Even in Bhagwan's nail, that when Bhagwan's nail, the toenails, the beautiful light emanates from his toenails. It's like a shape of the moon. Bhagwan have this much, you know, human beings have that much. Only a little bit, like you can see on your nails, that there is a shape of the moon, like just like I haven't. But in Bhagwan's nail, it's like, but in Bhagwan's toenail, it's very beautiful, the shape of the moon. That part, yes, white. It's like a light is coming out from there. The light, like a moonlight, you know, it's like a moonlight. The light is coming out from the nail of Bhagwan's toe. The light that's emanating from the Brahma Jyoti from effulgence
क्योंकि भगवान की
from
भजन
Krishna.
को छटा को
Sometimes
देखते हैं।
Brahma, Lord Brahma gets just
जिससे हमारे शिला कवि कर्णपुर
have a darshan of that Brahma Jyoti.
कृष्ण कर्णामृत ग्रंथ में
In Krishna Karnamrita Granth,
बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर पहले
Bilva Mangal
श्लोक
Sat, in the first slok, Bilva Mangal Thakur is saying, even just having the darshan of just the light that's emanating from the toenail of Krishna,
वही इसलिए कहे जिस सुख और भगवान की
the
नखकमल की छटा
chata, the light that from the toenail of Krishna. Even to get that light, how many these rishis, these great rishis, they are doing so much tapasya, so much austerities. Yes, what the happiness one gets, who can tell? So that's why Krishna is saying that you come to have my darshan. To have my darshan, you come here, that you come with a simple heart. So just having the darshan of the light that's emanating from the toe, when they have darshan of that effulgence, they are so deep in ecstasy. So can you imagine when these Brahmin ladies are having darshan of the whole physically having the darshan. So that's why Bhagwan is saying, hey Ma Bhagavati, you are very fortunate. You are very fortunate that you come here to have my darshan. You are very. In this material world, we have unhappiness. But when you have Bhagwan's darshan, that is really happiness. Even the anand, when you have Bhagwan's darshan, the anand you have. When we come to the mandir, where is our eyes? This goes to when we take our darshan, our eyes, when you are coming, you look like this up, you look up. But when we leave and have darshan, then we look down. Why? What's the reason for this? Because we are going into a Maya Jagat. Outside here we are going into Maya, because Maya is suffering. Because when we have Bhagwan's darshan, there is sukh, there is happiness. We have two types of eyes. One is prem chakchu, and kam. Kam means lusty. So our eyes is lusty, and the other eyes is prem chakchu. That will take us to lusty eyes. And the lusty will take you to suffering, and prem will take you up, for prem, happiness. So it's up to us in which way we look at. We use our eyes to have darshan. One is prem, with love, and one is with lust. So yes. So if you are unhappy, when you have darshan with love, and that's happiness. But why? Hey Mahabhagavata,
देखो यहाँ पर ये कथा सेम कथा कृष्ण जब रासलीला में बंसी बजाए
when Krishna played the flute in the Bansi Bhat, what did all the these gopis, they left their household, whatever they were doing, and as soon as they heard the flute, the sound of the flute, like a river flows, how spontaneously the river flows, that nobody can stop with the river flowing, and that's how they just ran spontaneously towards where Krishna was playing the flute, and he was playing under the bank of the Yamuna. Even the same thing happened to Yagna Patnis.
यहाँ पर हमारे विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती टीका में लिख रहे हैं,
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying in the Tika,
इव महाप्रेमोस्तता स्वागतम इतीव शुभम आगमनम। आप लोग ये आगमन मतलब
because of your
है
the Sukhaka means you're happy.
एक प्रयास छल से
Priyas,
एक उपेक्षा में परिहास करने लिए, और दूसरी जो है वास्तव रूप में कार्य है।
Priyas. What is the word for Hindi? I don't know. Priyas.
क्योंकि देखो कथा तो श्रवण करते हैं,
Like we are listening to katha.
और उपदेश से रात्रि के श्रवण में अंतर क्या होता है?
What's the difference between
जैसे आप वीडियो श्रवण किया,
you listen to the video,
टेप रिकॉर्ड से श्रवण किया,
you listen katha from the tape record, and you directly you listen from the katha. There is difference.
वक्ता जो बोलते हैं
When the vaktas are speaking, at the time they are both.
संचालन करके बोलते हैं।
Yeah, he's speaking. When he's speaking, you can see that his body is also moving. You know,
अपने अंगों
he's
संचालन करके बोलते हैं।
like he's speaking.
और जो सामने नहीं बैठे,
If you are not sitting in front of and you are just hearing the voice, then you are not seeing his how his body is like. Then the meaning also you'll understand the meaning so differently.
और श्रवण की बात
So like thinking, like Shravan means hearing, and actually directly having darshan. Like for example, Gurudev.
राम तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
So he said, Ram, tumi kahan se aur where are you coming from?
अच्छा, और फिर उसी कथा को थोड़ा हमको संचालन
So
करने
if
का
you change that, Ram, like in the tone of the word, Ram, where are you coming from?
राम तुम कहाँ से
So he's
आ रहे
moving
हो?
his eyes and he said, Ram.
मुझे विदित है, मैं जानता हूँ।
He said, no.
हैं?
So he said,
अथवा साधारण रूप में कहें, राम
if you
तुम
say
कहाँ से आ रहे हो?
Ram, then that's a question he's asking. Ram, where are you
क्योंकि
coming from?
वक्ता के आमने
So by the
सामने
way
बैठकर
you are
जिस
sitting in
श्रवण
somebody
होता है,
opposite, then you can see how his eyes are moving, and that question becomes
अंग संचालन के द्वारा
by see when you are here, see his movements of his eyes, his body.
स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
So similarly, Krishna
ये
is,
जो ब्राह्मणियों के जो बोले
and he's speaking to Brahminis, ladies,
स्वागतम
Brahmin,
भो महाभागा, आप
Swagatam,
लोग के स्वागत है।
Swagat, you're welcome.
ये बात
He's
सारी
welcoming them.
स्वयं भगवान करें।
And the Bhagwan is
क्योंकि
saying,
भगवान मर्यादा
is very,
क्योंकि ब्राह्मण नाम वर्णानाम ब्राह्मण श्रेष्ठ, वर्ण में ब्राह्मण उनके साथ बड़ोजनों के गुरुजनों के साथ परिहास करना उचित नहीं है।
it's not good. You know, like Brahminis, you are
और
ladies'
इधर
wife.
गोपियों के साथ जो बोले उसे परिहास बात है।
See, like he's speaking differently with gopis and he's speaking differently with
ये हमारे
Brahmini
आचार्य
ways.
बात करते हैं।
Our Acharya part is saying,
दोनों अर्थ आपको समझना चाहिए।
you have to understand the mood that he's got with gopis, how he's talking differently, and then he's talking to Brahmin's wife is different.
संभ्रम बुद्धि रहता है।
Ishwari Buddhi, because he's Ishwari Buddhi. You know, for Brahmini's wife, they are the wives of Brahmin because they know that Krishna is as a Bhagwan, so there is a Aishwarya mood. Aishwarya, when he's talking, he's more in a Aishwarya.
विश्राम भाव होते हैं।
There's a Vishram Bhav.
शास्त्रों में जो लिखा है
In the Shastra is right.
गुरु सेवा
So Guru Seva.
सर्वोत्तम सेवा कैसे होता है? विश्राम भाव में होता है।
Okay,
संभव रहित है।
so like, sorry, intimate. Vishram means close seva.
इसलिए यहाँ पर जो भगवान जो कह रहे हैं,
So Bhagwan here is saying there's two different meaning.
किंतु यहाँ पर अधिक रूप में
In the
भगवान वो समस्त जागृत पत्नी के जो है यथार्थ के सम्मान देते हैं।
when he's welcoming, he's respecting the Brahmini wives
उनके प्रति जो एक सम्मान सूचक
because it was more like a respect, you
सम्मान
know,
सूचक भाव है।
respect bhav, you know that bhav, respect.
वे लोग श्रेष्ठ मान देते हैं।
Because
भगवान आगे जाकर भी बताएंगे।
Bhagwan will say
ये भगवान
in the
कृष्ण
front,
कहते हैं मैं गोप जाति गोपी बिना अन्य ना करे अंगीकार। कृष्ण कहते हैं मैं गोप जाति होने के
Krishna
नाते
said, I am a Gop Jati, you know, I am from a
गोपी
Gop
छोड़ करके
Jati.
मैं दूसरे के अंगीकार नहीं
So he
करता।
said, I am from the caste of Gop, so I would not accept any other, I would only accept Gopis because Gopi is from the same caste. Gopa,
विशेष वैशिष्ट है।
like cowherd. Gopa means people who do the cow herding, looks after the cows.
शुभ एव आगमनम जस्मात् प्रतिबंध कोटि ओपि तिरस्कृता दिदिक्ष्वा न प्राप्ता इदं
10%.
उपपन्न उपपद्धते मतैव इत्यर्थ। यह तो विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying,
आपके आगमन जो है अत्यंत शुभ कारक है, मंगल का
you come here, it's very auspicious that you have come because you
अपने गुरुजनों की
left, you didn't hear,
उल्लंघन करके
you
तिरस्कृत माने त्याग दे करके उपदेश को त्याग दे करके
you
मेरे
rejected
साथ मिलने के लिए
your husbands, listening to your husbands, the restrictions you had with your husbands, you left that, and then you come to meet me. But so did the gopis. The gopis also left when Krishna played the flute, and when they heard when they heard Krishna's flute, they also left. They were serving their husbands or their family or in-laws. They also left that. They left that. Some gopis were serving their husband. Some gopis were feeding the milk to the babies. Some were doing the gobar, the cow. Some were having bath. Whatever state the gopis in their hole, they were all busy doing household duties. But what did they do? As soon as they heard Krishna's flute, they left whatever they were doing. And they didn't care what they were doing, and they left and they went to meet Krishna. So Govinda is saying Krishna that Krishna is thinking, he started to think the sukh, the happiness you have from a meeting of beloved and beloved is vachan. Is vachan, like you have sukh, Krishna is a Dhir Lalit Nayak. The qualities that Dhir Lalit is Parishas means Chatur. He's very clever, he's very Chatur. So those is one of the quality. Prashita nature. In the Dhir Lalita, he's got like he speaks very nicely, very sweetly. Here the Bhagwan is saying that here you left your husbands and you come to meet me here. How can I you come with such a great difficulty you had, that how can I praise you, like how can I upkar you, like I would say the word, I don't know, to praise you. I'm in debt. Even Krishna is saying that I'm in debt. How will I be able to pay this debt that you left everyone to come and meet me? So he's saying Mahabhagavat. That's why you are sitting here.
यहाँ पर कृष्ण की आगे कहते हैं आप लोग परम प्रेमवती हो। ननुत्पत्ता मयि कुर्वन्ति कुशला सार्थदर्शिनः अहेतुके अवहिता भक्तिर् आत्मप्रिये यथा। इस संसार में सार्थ,
in this material world,
अपने
the man, for the happiness, to get happiness, they try in this material world. Jeev are dharma, artha, moksha, like for economy, wealth. They do so much to get happiness.
किंतु उसकी फल
monks.
क्या है?
But what is the fruit? They put so much energy in working, Samantha. What is the fruit?
धर्म अर्थ काम
Dharma.
मोक्ष।
Dharma,
पहले
karma,
त्रिवर्ग कहा गया,
moksha.
धर्म अर्थ काम के त्रिवर्ग कहा जाता है।
Karma, dharma, moksha.
और चतुर्थ क्या है? मुक्ति के लिए कहा जाता है।
And mukti.
किंतु
Fourth
पंचम
is
पुरुषार्थ
mukti.
कृष्ण प्रेम
And 5 is Krishna Prem.
बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं।
Not many people know about bhakti.
संसार के अधिक के लोग धर्म
The
और
majority of the
काम
people in the world will go for earth, like economic and karma and काम, for their own happiness.
मुक्ति की कामना वो भी
Also mukti, also liberation, also mukti. They are doing for themselves. So dharma, artha, mukti.
ये कपट धर्म है।
That's kapat.
मुक्ति वांछा
Also mukti.
कोई तो प्रधान जहाँ है कि कृष्ण भक्ति और अंतर्ध्यान। भागवत में करें
In Chaitanya Bhagavat it says,
कपट जितने भी कपटता है
wherever there is hypocrisy, duplicity,
कपट क्या है?
what is the kapat? Duplicity.
मुक्ति की इच्छा।
Mukti the ichha. If you have a desire for mukti, that is duplicity.
कोर्मी आदि की
That's a
भी
hypocrite.
कभी जो है कल्याण हो सकता है। किंतु जो मुक्ति कामी मुक्ति जो कहते हैं
The one who is mukti, they won't even get
और
kalyan.
मुक्ति
You
जो
know,
अद्वैतवादी मायावादी
the Advaita, they and Mayavadi,
और भी कठिन हो जाता है।
they are also more difficult for them.
इसलिए छल कपट के तहसील था इसलिए कहते श्रीमद् भागवत में क्या करें धर्म प्रजित कोई तो अत्र इस श्रीमद् भागवत में
In
किसी
Srimad
प्रकार
Bhagavata,
कपट धर्म की जो है
the kapat,
नहीं दिया
it's like condemning the kapat dharma.
कपट धर्म ही है
That is kapat.
एक बार ही कोई ब्रह्म में प्रवेश कर जाए
If one merges with the Brahma,
उससे निकालना बहुत कठिन होता है
then it's very difficult for them to come out.
बहुत कठिन हो जाता है दो प्रकार की मुक्ति जो बताया गया
These two types of mukti. One is
ब्रह्म सायुज्य और
Brahma Saujitya and one is Paramatma Saujitya. In Brahma Saujitya,
निकल करके आ सकते हैं
Brahma Saujitya means they are merged with the effulgence, you know, the Brahma Jyoti. And the Paramatma Jyoti, it's very difficult to come out. One is merging with Bhagwan and one is merging with the Brahma Jyoti. Then it's very difficult to come out.
क्योंकि जीव के जो स्वरूप का जो धर्म
Because the swarup of the Jeev
भगवत सेवा
is a Bhagavad Seva.
सेवा आदि त्याग करके
The constitution of the
ब्रह्म सायुज्य और
Jiva's
सायुज्य में नहीं होना चाहते
soul is Bhagavad Seva.
तात्पर्य यहाँ पर भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर कहते हैं
Here Bhaktivinoda
गुरु
Thakur
वैष्णव
is said,
भगवान की सेवा नहीं करके
if you don't do serve Guru or
करते
Vaishnava,
हैं
or you do something else,
वो कपट का है
this is called
कपट
kapat.
में चली आती है
Jal kapat means.
भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर इसमें लिख रहे हैं पर छल कपट क्या है वही बात
What is chal
भगवान की
kapat?
सेवा नहीं करके
They are not doing Bhagwan Seva
दूसरी तरफ क्यों हमारे
They are doing the other direction.
स्वरूप का जो धर्म
because the swarup, the dharma of the swarup, Jiva swarup is,
अर्थात भक्ति का आश्रय नहीं है।
and they don't take the shelter of
और
bhakti,
ज्ञान, योग, तपस्या आदि
they may
अथवा
be doing
कर्म,
karma,
कर्म,
dharma, moksha,
वो क्या है? वो
yata.
आत्मघाती का है।
They are actually, they are committing suicide to the Atma.
परो धर्मो जतो भक्ति अभवत्काले। अहित की अप्रतिहता अध्यात्मा संप्रसिद्धति। श्रीमद् भागवत में स्पष्टीकरण
In
करें।
Srimad Bhagavatam it says,
आत्मा की सुख
for the happiness of soul is
अपने
if
इष्ट देव की जो है
if you
सेवा करें।
serve your
सेवा
Istadeva.
ही परम धर्म।
Seva is the dharma of the soul.
सेवा ही हमारे परम धर्म है।
Seva is
इस
our
सेवा धर्म
eternal
को
dharma.
करके, और जिस
If you
धर्म में
don't do
जाते हैं,
that,
उसका क्या है? छल कपट
If you go and follow anyone else, that is chal kapat.
देव धर्म ग्रंथ में
In Jaiva
धर्म
Dharma,
के बारे में जब
the,
प्रश्न उठाया
there was a
तो
question
उसका
that's
जवाब
right.
महाराज कहने लगे, धर्म ये
Vaishnava, dharma is one, right? There is one.
किंतु काल देश आदि के
Because of the time, place, and circumstances, we are saying that different dharma, we are following dharma. But actually, really, for Jiva, it is one dharma,
वैष्णव धर्म
which is Vaishnava
आत्मा
dharma,
धर्म
Atma dharma,
और क्या क्या जैव धर्म
Jaiva dharma,
विमल प्रेम धर्म और
Prema dharma,
भागवत
Bhagavad dharma.
ये भागवत धर्म सनातन धर्म
Sanatan Dharma means eternal
श्रीमद्
Dharma.
भागवत में इसलिए कह रहे हैं
In Srimad
भागवत धर्म की
Bhagavatam,
वजह से चर्चा हुई है।
there is also Bhagavad Dharma.
भागवत धर्म की साक्षात उसको डेफिनेशन दे रहे हैं।
It's given definition of Bhagavad Dharma.
स्वयं भगवान
स्वयं
अपने
भगवान
मुखार अरविंद से
with his own
जीवों
mouth
के कल्याण के लिए जो
to
उपदेश
deliver
दिया
the
है,
jivas,
इसी कहा जाता है
He is saying
भागवत धर्म।
that is called Bhagavad
जी
Dharma.
मानव की एकमात्र कर्तव्य है, सभी जीवों की एक ही कर्तव्य है इस भागवत धर्म के पूर्ण है। और जितने प्रकार के धर्म है वो सब धर्म क्या है?
All these other dharmas are what?
अनित्य धर्म।
Anitya means not.
उसमें यथार्थ रूप में धर्म की
They are not. Actually, they are not
यही
dharmas.
हम लोग आदर करते हैं।
We are saying sometimes we respect
शिक्षा आदि के लिए,
for siksha.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में धर्म एक ही है।
Actually, there is only dharma, and which is Vaishnava dharma, Atma dharma, Bhagavad dharma.
मेरे गुरुदेव की भाषण आज मैं
My Gurudev, I was listening to my Gurudev's katha today.
एक श्लोक के पढ़ा।
Gurudev spoke one, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he spoke one Gurudev. Thank you so much.
भागवत एकादश स्कंद की जो है उद्धव
Thank you so much.
कृष्ण के संवाद कोई
Then Uddhav
करने लगे। मेरे गुरुदेव की बात है, मेरे गुरुदेव जो है यही जो है 23 अध्याय दसम स्कंद 23 अध्याय लैंगिक पति की पत्नी की
And
कथा जो है,
when he saying
पाठ करते थे।
he was doing the part of Yagnipada, he was reading this slok when my Gurudev came to this slok.
बस एकादश स्कंद की कथा शुरू करते थे।
It's Nitya dharma.
यही भागवत धर्म छोड़ करके
If you leave this Bhagavad dharma and you take any all the dharmas, it's all Bhagwan is saying that the others are not. Our, we should follow. We should take the path of Bhagavad dharma.
इसलिए स्वयं भगवान कहते हैं,
Then Bhagwan is saying,
प्रेमवती
"Hey Premavati,
ब्राह्मणीगण आप लोग की मनोरथ है पुष्टि जरूर जिस कारण से आप लोग आए हैं।
the reason you've come here,
स्त्रियां ब्राह्मण किस लिए है?
why did the ladies come to have darshan of Bhagwan?
दान फलमिदं न परम विधान। टीकाकार कहते हैं आंखों की फल क्या है?
What is the fruit of the eyes? Is to have darshan have darshan. Why is Bhagwan given us eyes to take darshan of Bhagwan?
इस अर्थ में भी कह रहे हैं
Even Bhagwan is saying,
मुझे दर्शन करने के लिए
if you have done, so Bhagwan is saying, look at the Brahmas and the great demigods. They are doing so much austerities to have darshan of me.
अर्थात अनेक दिन तक
But
मुझे
you-
दर्शन के लिए आप लोग दिन
But you have been
उत्कंठित हो गए हैं।
waiting, you've been eagerness, you had so much eagerness to have darshan of me. But because of my kripa, you have come here.
इच्छा बिना
Actually, Bhagwan's icha, we cannot go if the desire is not there of
क्योंकि
Bhagwan.
भगवान की स्वरूप शक्ति की मुक्त प्रकाश
Bhagavad Bhakti Devi, what is the Swarup? Swarup Shakti of Bhagwan is Bhakti Devi. Bhakti will take you towards Bhagwan. Karma Gyan or Yoga, all the no tapasya, no austerities. That will not take you to Bhagwan. It's only bhakti that will take you towards Bhagwan. Bhakti Devi. Because only with bhakti we will get darshan of Bhagwan. So here Krishna is saying that that's why in your heart the ichha, the desire you had in your heart to have my darshan, because that is actually my ichha, he's saying, Bhagwan is saying that is my ichha. Because without Bhagwan's ichha, Bhagwan's desire, ichha means desire, Bhagwan's desire, you cannot have my darshan. Name. Okay. So without Bhagwan's desire, nothing happens. You are doing something for your own desire, but you don't have Bhagwan's desire or Bhagwan's ichha, Bhagwan's desire. Then here the Vishwanath Chakravarti says, hey Brahmin, you lady, so many days you've been waiting to have darshan of me, the see this Brahmin is wife.
वो जाके ब्राह्मणीगण फल विक्रयणी आदि के मुखारविंद से कृष्ण के बारे में श्रवण किया।
So when they heard the Brahmini ladies, as soon as they heard about Krishna's, like about Krishna's, you know, what Krishna looks like from other Brajvasis, then they had desire. That desire awakened in their heart so much that they have to have darshan of Krishna. So when they heard that Krishna has come nearby, so as soon as they heard that Krishna is nearby here from the Sakhas, so whatever the preparation they had prepared for the yagna, they started to take that. Because why? Because of Bhagwan's icha, their mind, their heart, it was very awakened because all the preparations they made was going to be offered to yagna. There is a little potency in our heart. But that potency, the time has not come. The time has not come at the right time. That, like a potency will not sprout. You know, like a seed sprouts. Like, you know, when you are harvesting, and some of the seeds of the wheat falls on the ground, but when it rains, or these grains of wheat that have fallen on the ground will sprout. You know, when you are harvesting the dhan, you know, you are cutting, a lot of seeds fall on the ground, and then when it's baris, when it's rainy season, so 3 months when there is no rainy season, the seed will remain underground. But when the rain comes during the rainy season, then automatically these seeds will start sprouting out. So similarly, Krishna is saying, when you have darshan, you had to wait, you know, like, but because of my mercy, I would say my mercy or my desire, that you got this, you know, like just how seeds sprouted, that you got this desire, intense desire in your heart to have my darshan. Why? You know, all the obstructions that were caused is to, even when there is more obstruction, then your desire in your heart even increases more. So like if a river is flowing from the top, and if you step them like a dam, you put them, you know, the river is flowing, but it stops there, right? But after a while, what happens? What does it do to the dam? The river flow will eventually break the dam. So similarly, Bhagwan is saying, these obstructions, these obstacles you have, obstructions, actually it even increases more. You know, it stimulates you more. You have more enthusiasm to have darshan. See, even he's saying, when you're doing preaching, he says the more difficulty you have, the more obstructions you have, then the more your prachar will be there. So in the ISKCON, like when we started to preach in the West, ISKCON was such a big obstacle. They used to come, then what happened? Actually, because they didn't realize that, but the more the prachar of our Gurudev increased even more. The people who were causing the obstruction for the Gurudev's prachar, those are the same people. They came and took shelter of Gurudev. And sometimes they used to come to spy to Gurudev. What is Narayan Maharaj? What is he speaking? And when they heard Gurudev's pravachan, and with Gurudev's kripa, then and they also took shelter of Gurudev and for pure bhakti.
तो इसी प्रकार
So we see that. So here,
भगवान भी इसी प्रकार का है।
it says, Bhagwan is
ये
saying,
विवेकी और विवेकी लोग हैं, अपने सुख के लिए
for their sukh, for their own desire, they give obstruction. Like you come here to listen to Hari Katha. Why have you come here?
आपके घर के जन पति और पत्नी बोले बेकार बेकार गोली मार के
You know, the husband or wife will say, why are you going to Gaudiya? Why are you going to Babaji's to hear this Hari Katha?
किंतु आपकी जी प्रबल निष्ठा रहे
But you have got Nistha.
उसकी बाधा को
Because when you have Nistha, you will, no obstructions will stop you. You will be not affected by any obstacles. It will not stop you.
ब्राह्मणीकरण अपने गुरुजनों की
So like that, Brahmanis,
उल्लंघन करके
this is how the Brahmanis have came